Hey, I wanted this to just be a very quick unboxing here of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Uh, got $150 towards any smartwatch towards this for trade-in. So this came out to about $350. This is the non-LTE version of it. Grab this on out of here, which I imagine will be our charger, which I believe, let's see, right? So this was down to $350 after the trade-in deal that they had going. Reason I really bought this because they have a few things I want to test out. And it's just like the puck. So I'll go ahead and put that off to the side. I don't think there's anything else in here except for some paperwork. Alright, we're coming back to the watch just a second here. This one is, I believe this is the hybrid, I want to say. Yeah, this is the hybrid. Black hybrid bands. Stainless steel. So it looks pretty nice. It has like a leathery look on top with the silicone on the bottom. And of course the watch itself looks very similar to the Watch Ultra. But now we have a physical rotating bezel, which I know everybody loves and everybody missed on the Ultra. I wish they also just came out with the second one of that. I believe this mechanism is a little bit different than on the Ultra, which is rather disappointing because I have quite a few bands left over from my Ultra that I used to have. But very, very nice looking watch here. And looking at the back here, this is 46mm with sapphire crystal, of course GPS and Bluetooth, 5 atmospheres, made in Vietnam by Samsung. Very nice looking watch though. Let me go ahead and put on these straps. Be right back. And there it is with the straps on. Personally, these are not my favorite straps. I don't really like, it's just a bit too fancy of straps for me. But this is a very nice looking watch though. It's definitely a fancier looking watch. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some looking at of the different new features on this watch that they introduced. Some of the stuff sounds rather intriguing. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.